Today I will give myself to you in marriage. I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and the couple we will be together. You know me better than anyone else in this world, and somehow still you manage to love me.
Alan, I love you. Today I give myself to you in marriage. I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and the couple we will be together.
I promise to be faithful and supportive, and to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to love you in good times and bad, when life seems easy and when life seems hard.
I promise to be as kind to you as you are to me, to fall in love with you every day, and to be a safe haven for you as you are for me. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to love you in good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard.
God.
Thank you.
Let me just soak you in. Give me a little twirl. Wow. Come here. Don't spoil your makeup. I will dream with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring. You are my person, my best friend, my love, my life, today and always.
I've loved you since the beginning. I'll love you forever. You have been the greatest gift of my life. You are my person, my best friend, my love, and my life, today and always.
Congratulations. You may now kiss the bride.